So I created this cocktail, which is a huge fan favorite at a lot of the events that we do, and it's called a Havana Nights. Let me show you and explain. So Havana Nights is a riff off of a daiquiri. What I've done here, I wanted to use guava because down here in South Florida, guava just sort of represents what Miami's all about. Taking some guava, and what I've done is I've cooked this down with some fresh rosemary. I add a little bit of fresh lime juice in here, and of course, rum being the main spirit that is the base of a daiquiri. Serve this up in a traditional coupe glass. And then what's really cool and that the fans really love is doing these cool smoke bubbles on top of the cocktail. The bubble is actually filled with a scented smoke. So because we put rosemary in the cocktail, what we actually have inside of this bubble is a rosemary scented smoke. So when the guest grabs the glass, goes to sip it, the bubble will pop, and then all of that smoke and effervescence will rise up from the cocktail, and you'll get this nice scent before you go ahead and sip your delicious guava and rosemary daiquiri. I'm gonna be showing you a bunch more of my favorite cocktail recipes, so make sure you follow along for more.